Hello guys, welcome to episode number 1 of Students' Questions. My name's Dan and I am your English professor. In today's video, we're going to look at the difference between bring and take. Some examples with both verbs, and finally, some common phrasal verbs that can be used with both of these confusing verbs. So thank you, Michaela, for your question. Let's get straight into today's lesson. Bring and take are both verbs which refer to transporting an object. So they both have a similar meaning. And this is why many of my students and many English learners around the world confuse these verbs. In this video, I will teach you how to use them correctly. It's worth mentioning that both of these verbs are irregular. Take, took, and taken, bring, brought, and brought. It's very important that you understand the direction an object is going when deciding which verb to use. Now this is essential. So bring is used when the object is going towards the speaker, whereas take is used when the object is going away from the speaker. So let's check out some examples to make that a bit clearer. Can you bring some crisps, wine, playing cards? Or can you bring something to my party? Now in this example, I, the speaker, am asking you to bring something in my direction, to my house, to my party. So let's check out some examples to make that a bit clearer. Shall we take something to Matt's party? Now, in this example, I, the speaker, am going to another place, and therefore I'm using the verb take because these objects are moving away from me. So you can really see the importance of the direction, right? And of course, the speaker is also just as important when deciding which of these verbs to use correctly. Is the object going away from the speaker, or is the object going towards the speaker? So, moving into the next part of this lesson, we're going to look at some common phrasal verbs that are used with both of these confusing verbs. Now I've just chosen 3 phrasal verbs for bring and 3 phrasal verbs for take. Let's start with bring. To bring somebody round. Now this means to persuade a person to change their opinion or to change their decision that they made previously, something they probably didn't want to do. For example, he really didn't want to go to watch that film at the cinema, but in the end, I brought him round. To bring somebody up. Now this phrasal verb usually refers to children and the growing process of that child. A parent brings a child up to teach them life lessons and to help them grow as an individual. For example, I was brought up in a small city. And the final phrasal verb for bring is to bring something out. This is a very common phrasal verb that's used when referring to publishing or releasing something. That could be a film, some music, or this video, for example. So, an example of that. Dan brought out this video to help us improve our English. So now I'm going to talk about 3 phrasal verbs with take. The first phrasal verb is to take something up. Now this means that you're going to start a new activity or start a new hobby. I'm going to take football up next year. I've always liked it, but I've never played for a team. To take somebody on. This refers to jobs and work, and it means to hire or to employ a person. For example, the new restaurant in the city are taking on new people. And finally, to take something back. Now this means to return an object that you have previously bought from a shop. For example, I need to take my shoes back. They are too small for me. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions about today's lesson, then please let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you further. I really hope you've enjoyed the video and have a great day. See you next time.